Hi, my name is Dion Aliu and I'm currently working as a consultant in analytics at Movisco AG in Frankfurt. My focus is on data warehousing, business intelligence and reporting solutions. ERP4students played a key role in my professional development. During my studies in applied computer science, I completed several SAP certifications through ERP4students. These certifications gave me a strong foundation in enterprise systems and analytics, which helped me to transition smoothly into consulting. One moment that stands out is when I received the first SAP certification from ERP4students, because it confirmed me that I was on the right path toward a career in data and analytics. ERP4students is really important for students because it bridges the gap between theory and practice. It provides hands-on experience with SAP systems, which is essential for anyone aiming to work in IT consultant or data analytics. So, happy 20th anniversary ERP4students. Thank you for empowering so many students over the years. Here's to the next 20 years.